Today I'm enjoying a beautiful train journey with a difference. It's on a beautifully restored locomotive. I'm on the first class carriage here and we're on the Vale of Rheidol locomotive trip between Aberystwyth and through to Devil's Bridge. It's about 12 miles on a narrow gauge track through the beautiful Cambrian Mountains, through the beautiful Welsh countryside. It's a real trip of nostalgia in a way, because you get to ride in this beautiful carriage and the journey itself is just fabulous. Lots of tooting and lots of smoke and countryside and tunnels, and really you're going along the edge of the mountainside. You can see for miles through the valley, through the Cambrian hills, and I'd really recommend this trip as a fabulous day trip from Aberystwyth straight through to the Devil's Bridge. You can have a look round there for an hour and then the train will bring you back again to Aberystwyth.